5 seconds to go. Start. It is underpopulated because large tracts of India are still unpopulated. It is true that if you go to the Gangetic Plain, it is thickly populated, parts of India are thickly populated, but many parts are not populated at all. Stop. A delegate to this conference told me last night that coming from Karachi to Delhi, Madras and then to Uttarakhand, he was amazed to see the scarcity of population. Stop. Of course, he was traveling by plane, nevertheless, the whole countryside appeared to him to be sparsely populated, and after all, it is possible to judge whether the country is heavily populated or not. Stop. That is a very correct impression, because large tracts are not populated. Stop. Para. We are overpopulated, if you like, because our productive capacity is low. Stop. If we increase our production, agricultural and other, and if the population is put to work for production, then we are not overpopulated. Stop. We have these big river valley schemes which, in association irrigating land, preventing floods, soil erosion and malaria, will produce a very great deal of hydroelectric power, and at the same time we will have industrial development. Stop. If you look at the map of India, you, will see the noble range of the Himalayas from the north to the northeast. Stop. I do not think there is any part of the world similar in area which has so much concentrated power, latent, potential power, if only it can be tapped and used. Stop. Well, we intend tapping and using it. Stop. But my point is that not only India but the whole of this Asian region is full of vast resources, human and material, and the question before us is how to hold them together and produce results. Stop. Para. Apart from increasing production in this way, I think it is important for us to utilize our existing resources better. Stop. I do not think they are being utilized to the best advantage. Stop. We can get more out of what we have than we have been doing. Stop. That involves in India, as in the rest of Asia, many problems: the economic system, the relation of capital and labor, and the satisfaction of labor. Stop. There is no doubt at all that in all, or at any rate in most of these Asian countries, there are long-standing social injustices, and naturally where there are these social injustices, you will not get proper and satisfactory work, especially now when there is an acute sense of social wrong and social injustice. Stop. I have no doubt that in India our production has suffered because of this acute feeling of social injustice. Stop. An individual or a community may undertake to shoulder almost any burden. Stop. We have seen during the last war how nations put up with the most enormous burdens in the shape of suffering and sacrifice, but always when there is a sense of sharing the burden inequitably, the burden being greater on some than on others, the sense of injustice becomes greater, and you do not have that harmonious working and cooperation which is quite essential today, more so than in the past. Stop. Therefore, this problem has to be viewed from the human point of view quite apart from a purely economic point of view. Stop. Para. The energetic and popular Chief Minister of Goa, Shri Pramod Sawantji, my colleague in the Union Cabinet and the son of Goa, Shripad Nayak ji, my colleague in the Council of Ministers in the central government, Dr. Bharti Parveen Pawar ji, all Goa ministers, MPs and MLAs, other public representatives, all Corona warriors, brothers and sisters. Stop. Para. Wishing you all a very happy Shri Ganesh festival. Stop. Tomorrow, on the auspicious occasion of Anant Chaturdashi, we will bid farewell to Bappa and will also tie sacred thread Anant Sutra in our hands, Anant Sutra means happiness, prosperity in life and blessings of long life. Stop. Para. I am happy that the people of Goa have vaccinated themselves ahead of this holy day. Stop. Every eligible person in Goa has received one dose of the vaccine. Stop. This is a big deal in the fight against Corona. Stop. Many congratulations to all the people of Goa for this. Stop. Friends, Goa is also a state where the strength of India's diversity is visible. Stop. The culture, standard of life and food habits of the East and West are seen here. Stop. Ganeshotsav is also celebrated here, Deepavali is also celebrated with pomp and Goa glitters during Christmas. Stop. In doing so, Goa also follows its tradition. Stop. Every achievement of Goa which continuously strengthens the spirit of Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat gives happiness and pride to the entire nation and not just me. Stop. Para. Brothers and sisters, on this momentous occasion, the memory of my friend, true Karam Yogi, late Manohar Parikar ji is very natural. Stop. The way Goa has fought the biggest crisis in 100 years, Parikar ji would have been very proud of your achievement if he was among us today. Stop. Goa has been instrumental in the success of the world's largest and fastest vaccination campaign, Free Vaccine for All. Stop. In the last few months, Goa has faced natural calamities like heavy rains, cyclones, floods boldly under the leadership of Pramod Sawantji. Stop. Many congratulations to all the Corona warriors, health workers, Team Goa, everyone for maintaining the pace of Corona vaccination amidst these natural challenges. Stop. Para. The experiences shared with us by many colleagues here show how difficult this campaign was. Stop. It takes a sense of duty, devotion to the society and courage to reach far and wide with safe vaccines by crossing the raging rivers. Stop. All of you are serving humanity tirelessly without stopping. Stop. Your service will always be remembered. Stop. Para. Friends, the government, citizens, Corona warriors and the front-line workers of Goa have demonstrated that what a wonderful result Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas, Sabka Viswas and Sabka Prayas can ensue. Stop. The kind of coordination in dealing with social and geographical challenges is really commendable. Stop. Many congratulations to Pramodji and your team. Stop. The faster vaccination in the farthest parts of the state, in all the subdivisions, is a great proof. Stop.